Today's opportunity is a very, very luxurious opportunity. This opportunity covers your traveling to Sweden, France, Norway, Germany, even the United States of America. Guys, when I saw this update, I was truly excited because I knew that this opportunity will help so many people that have been looking for ways to travel free and that have been looking for ways to travel with their family. Do you know that even in this opportunity, you're going to be paid up to $13,000 per month? At this point, I don't think I want to miss this opportunity, even for myself. It's a very exciting opportunity. I wouldn't want anybody to miss. All that they need from you is to have passions for customers. Passion. What is passion? I have excess. Secondly, what they need also is your communication and rewriting skills. Guys, as long as you can talk, express yourself in ways people can understand you. Is that not it? Another thing that they desire for you is to have a business skill. Oh my God, everybody has that business skill in them. Another skill that they desire from you is an interpersonal skill. These are also known as people skills, skills that help you work in a team, for example, teamwork, communication skills, ability to show empathy, conflict resolutions. Those are some skills that we pick up in our houses and from our previous job experiences, right? So, guys, tell me your reason you wouldn't want to share this video to your friends. Please share to your friends, share to your family members this particular video. If you don't do anything good for them, share this particular video because they will be internally grateful that you are thinking about them in this particular light. So, guys, like I usually do, I don't leave you halfway. I show you how to apply for this particular program and be part of it, all right? And, guys, one of the benefits of this is that you're going to be paid up to $13,000 in a month because the company that is solidly behind this program is a very big company and they are willing to cash out, like give you money. Imagine when even me gone, they know they pay me up to like that, $13,000 per month. If you change that money to your local currency, I know it's ringing something in your brain, right? In a month. So, guys, I wouldn't want to waste your time. I'm going to be giving you both paternity and maternity leave. And in this program, you're going to be learning and you're going to be paid for learning. So within this program, you're going to be meeting top people that you can connect with that are high class people in the industry. Now, imagine working with a top company like Microsoft. Yes, Microsoft is the top company of today. And guys, they are willing to make you go to your dream country while working and also learning at the same time. So if I were you, I'm going to be watching this video to the end and see how everything is done and apply with the link that will be dropped for you. Cross your fingers and pray to God because if this one work for you, I must invite you to this channel to come and do testimony video. You can't even run from me. I must invite you to this channel to come and give a testimonial video. All right. So, guys, that's the more reason why you need to like this video so that YouTube can recommend this video to a lot of people and share this video. In fact, share it to your WhatsApp status. Share it so that people can see and benefit from this program. Share it to your family group so people can see and know that there is always a way for them to travel. Free, guys, free. I'm going to be sharing my screen with you and showing you the application processes. But before then, just see my face on my video for the first time. My name is Ellauche. On this channel, we believe in being the best we can be. I'm a relocation content creator and also a project officer. I share information on your career development, relocation processes that are easy, in fact, and very affordable. In fact, this channel is everything that has to do with your career development, all right, and your comfort. You might want to subscribe to be part of this family. Just hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any update like this, all right? I want to say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers. They're always sharing my videos, they're always liking, commenting. Some of them, I see my videos on their WhatsApp status, and I'm very, very grateful. I wouldn't have come this far without you guys. Thank you guys so much, all right? And please, if you're new, just let me know in the comment section. So we'll give you a warm welcome, all right? And guys, let me share with you what this program is all about. Let's go. So, guys, like I said earlier, this opportunity is with Microsoft. You will not believe it. If you come over here, I had to take it gradually so we can see these are the benefits of working with Microsoft. All right, they invest in their employees, they also make the best out of your life. They encourage the use of AI too. You know, some companies like NHS, they'll tell you don't use AI in writing your personal statement, blah blah blah. But this is Microsoft now, and I didn't get everything now. So look at it. They even help your health. I'm sorry my voice is this way. I have cold. And don't forget to like this video, please, guys. Please like this video. You owe me that too. Me too. Let me tell you the simple truth. I'm applying to this company too, and you go run out for me. They give me job. I'm coming to the channel to do my own testimonial. That's the more reason why you need to watch this video and share it to people. All right. So this is you just need to read this up. All these things you need to read it. How they hire. This one is very important. How they hire. Okay, look at its responsible use of AI. They allow you to use AI, but you have to use it responsibly. It's not every question you use AI. Look at interview tips, guys, both virtual, both students and graduates, both technical interviews. So these are things you need to read, all right? And guys, make sure that you don't miss out on this opportunity. They have so many job opportunities, guys. So that's the more reason why you need to exploit so many departments. So you will not tell me your own is not here. As far as you're a graduate, you went to school, you have an experience, you have, even certification can help you get a job. So this particular site now, this internship is where you need to explore that will help you travel. Okay, this one is what will help you travel to any of those countries. Look at them. There are so many opportunities. Just come through it. Economist, tech, architect, customer service, so many things. All these are under their internship. All right. And from what I have read on their website, they are willing to sponsor you. Full sponsorship. Like you're not spending a dime. Having watched this video to this very moment, what are you going to tell me? I'm listening. Am I going to hear thank you? Don't worry. Don't mention. We don't do that here. Like my fellow content creator, we don't do that here. Don't mention, all right? So guys, please like this video. I always say it. Please like this video. It helps the algorithm, all right? So many people are in their need of things like this, and they miss out on opportunities because they don't have the information at their disposal. So don't forget to share and like this video, all right? And just leave your thoughts with me in the comment section. If you're finding it hard with this application, let me know, all right? And remember, you're going to be using your CV in this particular pathway. I keep saying it. If you don't have a good CV, how do you want to start your career development journey without a good CV? CV is what sells you out to people and make them know that you're good for the job or you're good for the role. All right. So, guys, make use of this opportunity. Get a good CV, submit, and remember you're going to write a personal statement. All right. You're going to write it. There's no running away from this. Okay. And always give yourself that positive mindset, knowing that everything is possible. Most of the times, I'm always very excited to share scholarship opportunities because if you have been with me from the beginning of this channel, I've always said it. I got two scholarships, one for Finland and one for US. And it's the same reason why I'm sharing scholarship opportunities to you, because I know it's very, very possible to have them, and it's very, very possible to benefit from such opportunities. So when I'm saying it with my full chest that you can also get it. And guys, Understand this today, that you can get any opportunity you want. It starts in the mindset. And pray. Okay? And that will be all for today's video. Alright? Remember, like I usually say, to be the best you can be. And it starts in your mind. And I'll see you in my next video. I love you.